Today we are going to discuss about EVS of class 2nd. Chapter name is air. So students, what is air? Air is present all around us, okay, but we cannot see, we cannot smell, we cannot taste air, but we can feel it. Whenever air moves from your side, you can feel it. So who need air? All living things need air. Okay, all living things need air to survive. For example, human beings need air, plants also need air, animals also need air. Okay, small insect, birds, they all are living things, so they all need air to survive. So here are the picture who need air. Okay, this boy need air, childrens need air, birds, kites, trees. Okay, they all needs air. Now students, tell me how air get polluted. Okay, air is polluted when it becomes dirty. Air gets polluted when gases, dust particles, smoke, bad odors are introduced into air. This make air harmful for human beings, plants and animals. Things that polluted the air are called pollutant. Okay. Now we will discuss about causes of air pollution. Okay, so there are many causes of air pollution. Some main common causes here are follows. Okay, here are main causes. First one, smoke coming out of chimneys from the factory causes pollution. The smoke and the fumes from such factory polluted the air. Second, fumes from exhaust of car, trucks, trains pollute the air. These vehicles burn fuel and release harmful gas. This is the main causes of air pollution. Third, these are the natural causes. Okay, natural causes ये होता है जिसमें human beings का involvement नहीं होता है. Natural causes such as forest fires and volcanoes also polluted the air. Okay, now how you will reduce the air pollution? Okay, first one, you will always encourage your family members that use bus, trains and other public transport rather than using car, bikes, etc. because car, bikes release more air pollution. Second, we get electricity by burning coal, as you all know that, so we should use electricity wisely. Third, reuse things so that new waste is generated. Fourth, use natural source of energy such as solar energy, wind energy. These are pollution-free source of energy. Fifth one, we should grow green plants. We should grow more green plants near your schools and homes because plants make air clean. Breathing problems caused by air pollution. Okay, what are the breathing problems? When we breathe in polluted air, it may causes many health problems. Some problems such as cough, sore throat, asthma, nose block and tuberculosis. Okay, these are the common problems. All these health problems are caused by germs and pollutant present in the air. Okay, and how you will prevent your cold and cough? We should always cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. We should always cover our nose and mouth whenever we sneeze or cough. Second, proper cleanliness should be observed all around. We should maintain proper cleanliness around us. Third, the patient should be treated by a doctor. Okay, if you have a cold and cough, you should directly go to the doctor and treat yourself. Never spit in open. Okay, so we should never spit in open. Wash hand before and after eating food. We should always follow this habit. We should always wash before and after eating food. We breathe air all the time, so we should keep it clean. So students, what do you understand from this chapter? That when air get polluted, it becomes dirty. Smoke, odor, dust and gases are called air pollutions. Okay, so students, till then keep learning. Thank you.